Welcome to Auto Hub Info, your trusted source for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and in-depth details about the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious travel and exploring the stunning 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a machine that combines Volvo's engineering excellence with the ultimate comfort of a home on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a new definition of mobile living, designed to make every journey an unforgettable experience. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of innovation in the recreational vehicle industry. A motorhome, by definition, is a self-contained unit built on a vehicle chassis, equipped with living accommodations like a kitchen, sleeping areas, and bathrooms, enabling travelers to explore without the need for hotels or extra lodging. Volvo has taken this concept and elevated it with Scandinavian design, top-tier safety features, and modern luxury, setting a new standard for long-distance road travel. The concept of the motorhome itself has been around since the early 20th century, but Volvo's history in heavy-duty trucks and buses made them a natural contender for creating something special in the motorhome category. Drawing inspiration from their decades of commercial vehicle engineering, they have designed a motorhome that feels like a luxury apartment on wheels, yet drives like a refined, powerful touring coach. When it comes to popularity and market reach, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome has captured attention in regions where motorhome culture thrives. Countries like the United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, and Sweden see high demand, with the US leading in motorhome sales due to its vast road networks and RV culture. In Europe, Germany stands out with its love for premium and well-engineered motorhomes, while in Volvo's home country of Sweden, the emphasis on outdoor living and road trips makes this vehicle a natural fit. Volvo has also targeted wealthy adventure enthusiasts in the Middle East, where high-end RVs are becoming a status symbol for desert getaways. The global rise in remote working has also boosted motorhome popularity, and the 2025 Volvo Motorhome fits perfectly into this new lifestyle trend. Performance is where Volvo has put a lot of attention. Built on a custom Volvo heavy-duty chassis, the 2025 motorhome comes equipped with a turbocharged diesel engine producing around 450 horsepower and 1,850 Nm of torque. This ensures smooth acceleration, even when fully loaded with gear and passengers. The powertrain is paired with an advanced 12-speed I-Shift automated transmission, providing effortless driving across city streets, highways, and challenging terrains. Volvo's engineering focus ensures exceptional stability at high speeds and while cornering, something not all large motorhomes can claim. The ride comfort is further enhanced by an electronically controlled air suspension system, which adjusts automatically depending on road conditions, keeping the cabin level and comfortable. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly good for its class, thanks to Volvo's work on reducing drag and improving engine efficiency. With optimized aerodynamics, smart cruise control, and an efficient diesel setup, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome can achieve around 9 to 11 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a vehicle of its size and weight. Volvo also offers a hybrid-assisted variant for select markets, which uses regenerative braking and electric assist to improve efficiency during city driving or when maneuvering at campsites. This efficiency not only saves money on long trips but also reduces the environmental footprint, aligning with Volvo's commitment to sustainability. When it comes to capabilities, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is designed for both luxury touring and adventure. It features a massive towing capacity, allowing owners to bring along ATVs, boats, or trailers. The high ground clearance and all-wheel drive system available in select trims mean it's not just limited to smooth highways, it can handle light off-road routes, mountain passes, and remote camping spots. Advanced navigation with real-time traffic and terrain analysis ensures you always know the best route for your journey. Volvo has also equipped it with a massive 150-gallon freshwater tank, solar panels for off-grid living, and a battery storage system that can power the motorhome for days without external hookups. The key features of the 2025 Volvo Motorhome are where it truly shines. Inside, the cabin is designed like a Scandinavian luxury apartment, with minimalist furniture, warm lighting, and premium materials such as real wood, leather, and stone finishes. The living area includes a large sofa that converts into extra sleeping space, a dining table for four, and panoramic windows for breathtaking views. The kitchen comes with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and plenty of storage. The bedroom has a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, climate control, and sound insulation for peaceful sleep anywhere. The bathroom rivals that of a high-end hotel, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and luxury fixtures. Technology plays a big role in the 2025 Volvo Motorhome. It includes a 5G connectivity system, multiple smart TVs, an integrated home assistant, and a high-end surround sound system. All major functions, from lighting to climate to security, can be controlled via a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Safety is, of course, a Volvo trademark, so this motorhome comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking assist. It also features a driver fatigue monitoring system and advanced braking technology for steep downhill descents. Price-wise, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is positioned as a premium product, starting at around $450,000 and going up to $650,000 for the fully loaded luxury variant with all available packages. While that may sound high, it's in line with other luxury motorhomes of similar size and capabilities, and it offers a level of refinement, safety, and technology that few can match. For buyers who want the ultimate combination of Volvo's legendary durability and modern luxury, the price is well justified. The main selling points of the 2025 Volvo Motorhome are its unmatched safety features, Scandinavian luxury design, powerful and efficient performance, and its ability to serve as both a luxury home and a capable adventure vehicle. It's not just for retirees on cross-country trips, it's for digital nomads, families seeking adventure, and even executives who want a mobile base of operations. It represents freedom, flexibility, and comfort without compromise. The Volvo badge also adds a level of prestige and trust, as buyers know they are investing in a brand that values safety, quality, and innovation. In a world where travel preferences are shifting toward personal and private experiences, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome stands out as a perfect solution for those who want to explore without giving up the comforts of home. It offers the freedom to go anywhere, the confidence of unmatched safety, and the indulgence of luxury living, all in one stunning package. Whether you're planning a cross-continental road trip, a family adventure into the wilderness, or simply want a home that moves with you, the Volvo Motorhome proves that the journey can be just as incredible as the destination. This is more than a motorhome, it's a new way of living on the road. If you want, I can also create a clickbait YouTube title, viral hashtags, and a short description to go with this script so your video ranks higher and gets more clicks. Would you like me to make that next?